Hi everyone, day 13 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges, and we're continuing our journey through I might need it one day clutter. And this might be a tough one for many of you, but today I want to talk to you about clothes. Yeah, all that stuff in your closet that in many cases is bulging out and you and I both know that you just don't wear. Now, the fact is, and you've heard me say this many times, you wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. And many of the I might need it one day clothes are items you've bought on sale, great buy, or stuff that you hope one day to fit into, wish clothes. Well friends, today is the day to tackle your closet. Be tough. You should only have 3 kinds of clothes in your closet. Clothes that you love, clothes that fit you and you look great in, and clothes that garner you compliments when you wear them. They're the kind of clothes that you should have. Clothes that project the image that you want, project who you are, and make you feel good. So, get into your closet. If they're I might need it one day clothes, if they've got dust on them, if the hangers are covered in dust, if the shoes are covered in dust, if it's the bottom third of stacked clothes, I can guarantee you seldom wear them. Clear the closet, create your best life, and have a closet that every morning says, hey, it's great to see you. Here are clothes that you'll look great in. Get to it.